Ever wondered how your smartphone feels so smart? Let's explore the magic of AI right in your pocket. AI, or artificial intelligence, gives machines a touch of human-like understanding, helping you every day. Voice assistants, Siri and Google Assistant. They listen, understand, and respond, all thanks to AI. Let's talk photo editing. AI suggests filters and fixes, making you look like a pro without the hassle. Predictive Text saves your time. It learns how you write, finishing your sentences like a personal assistant. Navigation tech gets smarter with real-time traffic updates, helping you dodge jams and arrive on time. These examples are just the tip of the iceberg. AI really changes how we live and enjoy our daily activities. AI makes life easier, saving time, simplifying tasks, and adapting to your personal needs seamlessly. Imagine your smartphone being your pocket-sized helper, making each day a bit more special and fun. From sharing laughs to scheduling, your smartphone uses AI to keep you organized and entertained. Thanks for exploring AI in your pocket. If you enjoyed learning, tap that like button and stay tuned for more. Remember, your smartphone is smarter than you think. Catch you in the next video for more tech insight.